Welcome back, YouTube. And today I'm here to give you guys some quick information. 10 reasons why you need credit. Not 10 reasons why you want credit or should get credit or whatever, but 10 reasons why you need credit. All right. Now, in reality, of course, we all know that you don't absolutely need credit and that you can survive without credit because you made it up until the point of watching this video. All right. So I'm going to give you guys 10 valid tips or, concepts that would help you understand why you maybe should go about opening up a credit card. So let's begin with topic number one. Tip number one is to, of course, establish credit. So if you want to build your credit, of course, you can do so with personal loans and other accounts. But one of the most viable resources that you have to establish and build and grow your credit score is a credit card. Reason being, there is no installment loan out on the market that can report utilization to the credit bureaus. Utilization is 30% of your score. I've seen people who've had established credit reports but didn't have a credit card go open up one credit card and their credit score shoot up 60, 80, 100 points. Literally seen 100-point gaps because people do not have a open revolving line of credit. Of course, with this as well, if you know about your credit profile, you also know that revolving lines of credit do not have a termination date. So as long as you keep your account in good standing and it's not closed by your issuer, you will continue to get a positive payment reporting every single month, whether you use the card or not. So that is one very important reason that you would open up a credit card, is so that you can establish your credit. If you want more information on establishing credit, I'll link another video below, or you can go to my playlist that's all about building and establishing credit. Now, reason number two why you would want to establish credit is in case of an emergency. Okay, you may be watching Dave Ramsey or some of these other financial gurus who are going to give you a cookie cutter or one size fits all plan. And one thing that Dave Ramsey even says himself about his plan is with starting that $1,000 emergency fund. He says $1,000 is not enough money to cover most emergencies, and it's supposed to be there to make you feel uncomfortable. Okay, when I talk to people about getting out of debt and recovering themselves and reestablishing themselves, or moving forward, I always tell them, it's great to have that $1,000 liquid cash. That's amazing. But also think about having that credit card that's sitting over to the side, that, $5,000 credit card that you can sit there. And in the case of a emergency, you still have it there if you absolutely need it. But just being responsible enough that maybe, you don't have that card in your everyday stuff. Maybe you put it up in a closet, lock it up, whatever you do, but you keep that card out of your daily sight so that you're not just making haphazard, spending decisions. And rather, if there's a true emergency, you can use that card in case that $1,000 security blanket doesn't cover it. Next thing, rewards and benefits. Okay, we all know, for a lot of us, we got into the credit card game. Why? Because we were told, hey, you sign up for this card, we'll give you this percentage off of your purchase. Hey, you sign up for this card and you spend this much, we'll give you this much money. Hey, if you travel here or if you travel there, we'll pay for your travel, or we'll give you points so that your next trip may be free or discounted. We'll give you discounts and different things, all the different rewards and benefits that credit cards offer: cashback, points, travel miles, all these different things. You just You never know what a different card company is going to offer. I was just talking to someone the other day about opening cards and their different benefits and how you can open certain cards and get TSA pre-check for free. You may be able to get Amazon Prime for free. There's just so many different things that you can get for free from different subscriptions and different cards that it's ridiculous. So always have that in mind. Number 4, online purchases. If you want to make a purchase online, typically you're going to be required to pay in either crypto or some form of card, whether it be debit card or credit card. And to purchase any of those three, typically, or to purchase anything, you're typically going to need one of those three. And typically, even to purchase crypto, you're going to need a credit card or a debit card. Why not be gaining the cash back and the rewards from utilizing the credit card versus the debit card? Just as well as we're going to talk about down the line some securities that you get. And I guess, you know what? Why not? Let's roll it into number 5, fraud protection. So, fraud protection, most credit card companies offer fraud protection, meaning that if somebody gets access to your account and they're not supposed to have access to your account, and they spend money off of your card, they're not an authorized user, you didn't grant them permission to utilize the card, the credit card companies will help you, and typically they will give you your money back in full. Number 6 is car rentals. If you want to rent a car or any other rental, a hotel room or equipment, anything like that, many companies require you to have a credit card to use for the deposit and for any incidentals. There's a lot of places where you cannot go and book cash or book with a debit card, or even if you can, they charge you extremely expensive deposits, and then you have to sit there and wait for your deposits to be credited back to you and cleared, and it can just be unnecessary. So I definitely would say make sure that if you are looking to get a rental of anything, like I said, a car, hotel room, anything, that you have a credit card. It just makes it a lot easier. Number 7 is travel. So once again, there's travel benefits for having credit cards. You can get into lounges. You can get priority boarding. You can get free check bags, and so many other benefits depending on which credit card you use. So you may want to check that out. Number 8, of course, is the access to credit. So having a credit card offers you access to credit that you would not have otherwise. So now you have access to funding if you want to go into a business venture, if you need to purchase some type of something for an emergency, if you need to, or if you want to invest in something, if there's anything where you'd want to put these funds where you wouldn't typically otherwise have the funds or have the access, then bingo, now you have it. Number 9, to build business credit. So if you're a business owner and you have business credit, you can establish your business credit history, which will be beneficial to your business, as well as you can utilize your personal credit report to build business credit. So yes, you can get a business credit card and benefit your business, but you can also get a personal credit card and benefit your business as well. Number 10, last but not least, and I've said it before in this video, but I want to explicitly state it now, and that is convenience. So when you want to make purchases and do different things, it's just so much easier if you utilize a credit card, and in so many different ways. It can stop you from having to wait to get deposits back. You can have less money that you have to put down for deposits. You can get benefits. You can get access to different places. You can get just overall better treatment and access to resources. So why not take advantage of the convenience for free? So please remember that when you're using your credit card, it's important to use it responsibly, make on-time payments, avoid carrying high balances, and avoid interest charges. Pay those cards every single month. I cannot say it enough. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you all in the next video.